Can I leave yellowing Aucuba leaves on the plant? This is Melody from Hernando, Mississippi. She's worried she's being overzealous by immediately removing those leaves. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, I would say that you can usually leave yellowing leaves on any plant and it's not going to hurt your plant. That's a natural thing that happens whenever lower leaves are older, they die back and they'll naturally fall off, and that's not going to hurt your plant. I wouldn't even think that there was necessarily a problem unless the top new leaves are turning yellow.
Yeah, I don't think it's a problem, do you?
Yeah, no, I don't either. You know, Aucubas can be bad about getting some foliar leaf funguses, but they didn't mention seeing any kind of like leaf patterns or spots on those leaves. So if it's just general yellowing, I'd think probably older leaves that are being shaded out, possibly sitting in a lower area. So they don't like, they like moist, well-drained soil, but they don't like to sit in soggy soil.
They can get root rot.
Yeah, so definitely have them take a look at that. That could be causing that leaf yellowing and dropping if it's just kind of happening over the entire plant and not just concentrated there at the bottom.
Okay, so older leaves, just leave them be.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It'll naturally fall off.
If you want to clean up your garden and remove them, you can, but I would never do extra work I don't have to in the garden.
I like it. I like it. And I would like to add, I wouldn't strip those leaves off either because you don't want to damage the plant, right? So don't strip those leaves off.